Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikate and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Comerica Bank online account. Now on your desktop, open any web browser that you're comfortable with and in the search URL, search for comerica.com. Once you press enter, that will lead you to the official page of Comerica, and at the upper right corner of your screen you will see login option. Click on there and a dialog box will pop up at the right side, and in user ID, type in your user ID. If you want to save your user ID for the next time you log in, check on save user ID. If you don't want, you can simply uncheck that again. And then in the password, type in your password. If you are new to our YouTube channel and haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now, once you enter your password or if you have forgotten your password, you can simply recover your password if you click on the link that says forgot password, and that will lead you to the next page where you will be able to recover your password. And then click on login and you will be logged into Comerica Bank online account. So this is how you can simply log into Comerica Bank online account. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.